Now we're going to talk about setting up your pages with buttons. Choose a profile and category you'd like to edit the buttons for. We already set up a page under food I like called dinner. In there we set up a button called pizza. Let's see the options on this button by pressing the edit button and pressing that button. A window appears which shows the caption text and the text-to-speech text. You can also set the image, sound, and the color of the background. So let's go back and let's add a button in our page, another button on our page for dinner. This button we're going to have pasta as the caption. So we'll change the caption to pasta because that's what we want the caption to read, but we actually want it to say, I want pasta, when the button is pressed. That's the great thing about the two different options. You can have it say something different than it reads for the caption. And we're also going to add an image, and we're going to find one in the catalog for pasta. However, you can also use the camera to take a picture for each button. You can also record your own personal audio for the button instead of using text-to-speech by hitting the sound option. There you can record whatever audio you'd like to be played when the button is pressed. Now you can choose the color of the button you wish as well, hit done, and the button appears on your page. Now you can add up to 8 buttons per page. We'll hit the edit button and the add button on the bottom, and we're just going to add 8 so you can kind of see how the page adjusts for the number of buttons that are on the page. For 3, 4, and we'll add a 5th one, and you can keep adding all the way to 8 depending on the number of options you want for each page. And you can have each page can have a different number of buttons. They do not all have to have the same. Now once you have all the number of buttons you want, you can just click the edit button and then press the button you'd like to edit, and all the options are there that you can change for each one. You can navigate to the next page by hitting the page left or right buttons. A thumbnail of that page is shown just like it is on the page menu above, and this allows for faster navigation within the category. Thanks for listening, and we hope you enjoy Quick Talk AAC.